You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Yesterday was a busy day, but today will be no less interesting. Recall that on Tuesday, the White House officially unveiled a wide range of new tariffs on imports of goods from China. New duties will amount to approximately $18 billion, thereby reducing the competitiveness of imports from China. Another important event also happened yesterday, but investors completely ignored it. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell said his confidence that inflation will continue to decline is not as high as at the beginning of the year and that the central bank will have to be patient before cutting interest rates. It is important to note that the head of the Federal Reserve made this statement before the publication of the inflation report, which will take place today. It is also necessary to take into account the growth of the producer price index much faster than the forecast, increasing the likelihood of an increase in inflation in the future. However, the market reaction was quite strange. Key stock indexes remained in the green zone. Thus, investors show their willingness for a longer-term period of expensive money. Nevertheless, an unexpected excess of the projected inflation growth rate can significantly reduce interest and risk. Exactly the same as the opposite, a decrease in inflation will only increase the activity of buyers in the stock market. Shifting to the oil market, it should be noted that OPEC does not yet plan to increase oil production, while predicting an increase in physical demand for black gold. Nevertheless, quotations of the American WTI crude oil declined on Tuesday, which is probably due to the statement by the head of the Federal Reserve about the prospect of holding the key interest rate at the current level for a longer period than previously predicted. Therefore, today's release of inflation data may have a strong impact on the dynamics of oil trading. Also, the cryptocurrency market has returned to the red zone, which looks quite logical. The short-term hype ended, and investors focused on macroeconomic data from the United States. After all, an unexpectedly strong increase in inflation can become a serious problem for institutional investors, thanks to which the cryptocurrency market has managed to attract so much attention. And although there are no obvious reasons for mass sales yet, there are also no reasons for active purchases. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.